Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll come with new topics. How to enable game mode on your iPhone. Basically, if you want to enable your game mode option on your iPhone, so you first need to, make sure update your iOS, latest iOS 18 at least. So if you're using iPhone, then you should go general, then check the software update. My software update is already updated, so maybe if I open my game, then it will be automatic enable the game mode. All right, so open, just wait few moment. Accept. If I scroll down, here is showing the game mode. You see, this is the game mode. The game mode currently on. So if you want to game mode off, then you can off. Actually, game mode is why you enable the game mode. Actually, if you enable the game mode, then your performance is more than better. Also, your game performance and user experience, gameplay, everything will be good. So that's why you should open the game mode. So that's it, and thanks for the watching. Bye bye.